Keeping your bike clean and well lubricated will prevent unnecessary wear and tear on the components. Rinse off dirt with Interflon Metal Clean F. This biodegradable cleaner and degreaser removes oil, grease, etc. It evaporates rapidly without leaving residues. Lubricating your chain properly is key for a quiet, smooth, and enjoyable ride. Just a few minutes' work will prolong the lifespan of your bike and keep your bike running sweetly. Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube works its way into the pins and bushes, leaving a dry lubricating film with MicPol sliding particles, avoiding sticking of dust, sand and airborne particles. A bit of Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube on the outside of moving components not only contributes to a smooth ride, but will also prevent your bike from corroding, since the MicPol layer is water repellent. In general, the MicPol layer will last up to 10 times longer than other lubricants. Interflon Metal Clean F enables you to get to parts which are difficult to reach. You can use the aerosol in every position. Interflon Fin Super Dry Lube is user-friendly and replaces several products. It is the right dry lube to lubricate your bike cables, chains, chain guides, the wheel, pedal, and bottom bracket bearings, pivot bearings and bushings, levers, sealed headset and derailleurs.